Voice annunciator enabled. Have a nice flight.
This is Gloucester information. India, time 1220, runway news 27, right hand circuit, surface wind 230, 10 knots, visibility 10 kilometer or more, view 2,200 feet, scattered 2,700 feet, temperature +13, dew point +10, QNH 1023, QFE 1019.
A strong wind warning is in force. No radar service is available.
Noise abatement procedures apply.
Gloucester, good afternoon. Golf Lima India, Kilo Yankee with India, 1023 requesting taxi.
Golf Lima India, Kilo Yankee, Gloucester, hello, wind 220 degrees, 10 knots. Would you like the grass?
Negative, bit heavy with fuel for that.
Golf, Kilo Yankee, taxi on a point, Alpha 2.
Thanks for the offer to Alpha 2, Kilo Yankee.
Are you well?
Surviving, hope you are too.
Cheers. Golf Bravo Hotel, Charlie Charlie, make a standard overhead join, runway 27 right hand, QFE 1019, report 3 miles.
Standard overhead join, runway 27 right hand, QFE 1019, report 3 miles. Golf Bravo Hotel, Charlie Charlie.
Golf India Sierra, I'm assuming you've passed Tewkesbury.
Hey, firm sir, apologies. Golf India Sierra.
Yeah, no worries, report Ledbury next.
Wilco, Golf India Sierra.
Golf Mike, X-ray, be Charlie, so you keep the speed up, one to land behind you.
Okay, Charlie, keeping the speed up, Mike X-ray.
Zero Oscar, runway 27, land after the Cherokee, wind 21010.
Land after runway 27, Golf Zulu Oscar.
News, report 3.
Okay, right, so here we go. Strobes, 3 cogs, mags on both.
Golf Charlie Delta.
1, 2, fuel on.
Golf Bravo India, Mike Tango, Sky Park, information India, QNH 1023, we'll get taxi.
Golf India, Mike Tango, Gloucester, hello, taxi, holding point Alpha 2.
Alpha 2, Golf Mike Tango.
Tag off Kilo Yankee. Would 22 grass still be available?
22 grass is available if you so wish.
Please.
Golf Mike Tango, hold short of Alpha 4 on Alpha.
Hold short Alpha 4, Golf Mike Tango.
Golf Kilo Yankee, via holding point Alpha 4, backtrack line up and wait, runway 22 grass.
Roger, thanks very much. Our Alpha 4 into backtrack 22 grass, Kilo Yankee.
Golf Kilo Yankee, which direction do you require? Not familiar.
Left turn going towards Henlow.
India, Golf Lima Zulu, taxi, hangar pumps.
Good Golf Lima Zulu, Gloucester, hello, taxi to the pumps.
Oh, taxi, Lima Zulu.
Right, Tango, taxi to the point Alpha 2. Golf Kilo Yankee, behind the landing R22. I think she's going to hold short. Kilo Yankee, via point Alpha 4, backtrack line up and wait, runway 22.
Roger, clear to enter backtrack 22 grass.
Grass.
Golf Delta Juliet, turning base.
Golf Delta Juliet, report final runway 27, number 1.
Welcome, number 1, Golf November Sierra, Delta Juliet, sorry. Golf Charlie, Charlie, passing overhead, ready to descend dead side.
Golf Charlie, descend on the dead side, report downwind. The fixed wing circuit is active with a robin on base leg. Golf Kilo Yankee, after noise abatement, it's a left turn to the southeast, runway 22 grass with a left turn clear for takeoff, wind 22012.
Finally got the traffic. Roger, clear takeoff, left turn after noise, Golf Kilo Yankee.
Golf Delta Juliet, final touch and go.
Golf Delta Juliet, runway 27, clear touch and go, surface wind 220 degrees, 13 knots, traffic turning crosswind is Ansesna.
Check RPM.
Clear touch and go, runway 27, Golf Delta Juliet.
Check exhaust gas temperature. Check exhaust gas temperature.
Fuel 2, ta.
Tower fuel 2, holding at kilo.
Check exhaust gas
Fuel 2, back to base
temperature.
by taxi Alpha.
Base by taxi Alpha, fuel 2.
Golf Echo Foxtrot, Jude Delta, holding at Alpha 2, ready for departure. We'd like a left turn out if possible, please.
Golf Kilo Yankee, it's a basic service. Report 5 miles southeast of the field.
Oh, roger. Basic service, and we'll be routing outbound more or less via Upper Hartford at 10 DME.
Report Upper Hartford.
We'll go Kilo Yankee. Okay, distance to go, 15. West to Mappershall, 13.
220 degrees, 23 knots, clear touch.
Oh,
Close touch and go.
Jesus. Ah. Right. Seat belts. Tighten it up a bit, I think. That's holding me anyway. Shoulder straps are good. Mappershall Safety Com, good afternoon. Golf Lima India Kilo Yankee, inbound from the west with about 6.5 miles to run, inbound for runway 24 Mappershall. That almost looks like the airfield, but I'm never convinced till we're there. Oh yes, it is. Definitely. Jolly good lights going on. On both, mixture's fully rich. Okay, shock cooling temperature's good. Mappershall traffic, Golf Lima India Kilo Yankees coming downwind right, runway 24 Mappershall. Or is it favouring 2-2? God knows. Looks more like 2-2. Mappershall Golf Kilo Yankee will make it runway 22, looking at the wind socket, Mappershall Golf Kilo Yankee. Okay, one stage.
Lay down, wind 246, traffic.
Mappershall traffic, Golf Kilo Yankees, final runway 22 Mappershall. Carpeet's cold. Kilo Yankee breaking off for runway 24 Mappershall. On the ground, Mappershall at 27. Right, careful turning here. Going off. Strobes off, there's on there. Right, careful turning. I don't want to turn that way today.